Hey, can you believe it is April? Holy cow, March flew by. Normally March seems to drag on, but for some reason, it flew by. So I'm so excited. My family is going to the beach for spring break. So we are so excited for warmer weather and spring, and I hope that you are too. So let me know in the comments if you are heading anywhere for spring break. So today in this video, I am going to share all of the things that we have going on in 𝗏𝗏 for the month of April. So if you're new here, my name is Andrea Carver. I'm an independent director with 𝗏𝗏, and I just want to welcome you here and say how much I appreciate you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll get a notification when I post a new video. All right, let's get started. So we all know that the best opportunity that we have with 𝗏𝗏 is by joining as a consultant. So whether you're joining for extra money or maybe some girl time, or you just love the products, you have to be in the know, all things 𝗏𝗏, then the business opportunity might be a fit for you. I'm always happy to answer any questions and talk to you about joining 𝗏𝗏 if you do not have a consultant to chat with of your own. So we have a fun little kit, enrollment kit that you can enroll with as a consultant in the month of April. It's called the Summer Simplified Mini Kit. So you're going to get a mesh large utility tote. If you do not know what this is, it's amazing. As our coated mesh here. So you'll get a mesh large utility tote, as well as our mesh pouches. So you'll get a pack of mesh pouches there. Comes with 2. And then you'll also get a business pack of catalogs and like a how-to guide and all of the things to help you get started as a new consultant. And then you'll also have the opportunity, if you don't want this kit, you can level up and grab one of our brand new summer enrollment kits. So I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about the business opportunity with 𝗏𝗏, because it is an opportunity. It changed my life, absolutely changed my life. And I'm so grateful for the blessing of 𝗏𝗏, and I love sharing that with other women. So if you're watching today and you do not have a 𝗏𝗏 consultant, we can definitely chat, okay? All right, so the second thing I want to chat to you about in the month of April is hosting. Okay, so we have an amazing hostess rewards program with 𝗏𝗏. So you start earning hostess rewards at the $200 level. At each $100 level, you earn a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. I always tell my hostesses our minimum party for you is a $500 party, because basically that's kind of where she gets to double her rewards from that $200 level. So she earns $100 in free products, I think 3 half-price items, but at that $500 level, our hostesses earn that hostess special for the month. That changes every month, okay? And so for the month of April, it is the Spring Simplified Bundle in our new prints. So you'll be able to, hostesses with the $500 party will be able to get this bundle for $25. It's valued at $104. So you'll have a few print SKUs that you can choose from. So you can get this bundle in this print. You can also get it in the this print as well. This is that patio tile, and also a charcoal print. All 3 items in the bundle can be personalized for free. So consider hosting a party, whether you do a bingo party with me, or a scroll and shop, or a texting party, or just share your shopping link with your friends and your family. When your party reaches that $500 level, you'll be able to get that bundle for $25. So it's a great value. Okay, and let's talk about our customers in the month of April. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. Our 50/50 special is back for the month of April. Y'all, I love this special. Literally, it is my favorite customer special. And I really want all of you to show 𝗏𝗏 how much you love this customer special, and let's pray that they bring it back. So let's blow it out of the water for the month of April. Okay, so think about it. It's for every $50 that you spend, you get any regular priced item in our catalog for 50% off. An amazing deal. Okay, so add $50 in your cart. The next item that you add will discount. The next regular price item that you add will discount at 50% off. So grab those higher priced items as your 50% off item. Your cart's going to adjust and give you the best deal. So don't think you're going to have to do math, but please, let's show them how much we love this customer special. And then also in the month of April, our Sunshine Edit collection launches. So these exclusive prints will launch on April 1st and run through May 31st while supplies last. So we've got that freshly squeezed print. Love that. We also have the honey pot stripe print, and we have the patio tile print. So these will launch. I'll link my video above that I did on these the other day so you can see those. And then also in the month of April, we have a spring bundle event. So we have 12 bundles that 𝗪𝗏 has put together, 50% off and more on these bundles. And it's such a great deal. So these are current products, current prints that 𝗪𝗏 has put together in bundles for you. There's going to be 12 of them. So check out my video in the next day or two and I will show you some of those. Now these bundles are pre-selected. So pre-selected bundles, pre-selected prints, but you can add personalization to these bundles. And these bundles can help be a qualifier for you to get to that $50 level and then get a 50% off item. So the savings are stacking up in the month of April. I'm really excited about that. Can you tell? I really love this customer special. So excited that they're throwing some bundles in there with it, okay? All right, and let's talk about our consultants. Okay, so if you're considering the business opportunity that I talked about at the beginning, then these opportunities here are for you too when you enroll as a consultant. So every month this year, we are having a sales consultant incentive. So if you reach a certain amount of personal volume, whichever one they set for the month, then you earn a free product, okay? So this is how another way that consultants can get products in their hands by partying, by submitting personal volume. So in the month of April, if we submit $500 in personal volume, then we earn a modern toiletry case for free, okay? So they are setting us up for the road to Impact. So Impact is our national conference with 𝗪𝗏. It's in Ohio. It's like the third week, or maybe the fourth weekend in July. And it's where all the consultants come together. We have training, we have sisterhood time. Literally, it's like my favorite time of year as a 𝗪𝗏 consultant. So the road to Impact is the name of our national conference. So we're earning products to help us travel with 𝗪𝗏. So in the month of April, we're earning that modern toiletry bag. Also, as an active consultant perk, we have pre-sales available to us. That's how I was able to get these in my hand early. And so our summer catalog is going to launch on May 1st. But as an active consultant, we're able to purchase a few of those items before the catalog launches. So that's a great perk. And then our summer launch is actually launching on April 1st. So they are sharing the catalog with us as another active, or another perk for an active consultant is we get to see the new catalog that's coming and I get lots of training. So that's going to be on April 1st. And then we have our new Jumpstart products and prints are going to launch in April as well. So if you join as a new consultant, you have the opportunity to earn a free website, free products to help you get started off strong in your business. And those are going to be in new prints. And also Disney, we are earning for Disney. So this is an incentive trip that all consultants can earn. And so we are just thrilled to be able to earn this and have the opportunity to earn it for our family. So lots going on in the month of April. Please let me know in the comments what you are most excited about. For me, I'm most excited about, well, the 50/50 customer special. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think of it. And let's just blow it out of the water for the month of April with 𝗪𝗏. So be on the lookout in the next day or two for my bundle video. I'll share some of those with you when I know what they are. So anyways, I hope that you have a wonderful day. Please subscribe, like I said, to my channel. That way you'll get a notification when I post a new video. Also, if you're considering the business opportunity, reach out to me. I'll have all of my information linked below, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. If you do not have a 𝗪𝗏 consultant of your own, I'd love to be your girl. So my VIP group is linked below. Also, you can click to join, answer the couple of questions, and I'll send you back a private message, and hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group. Or if you're interested in hosting in the month of April, I can set up a shopping link for you in no time flat, and you can start sharing that shopping link with your friends and your family and get your party linked to that $500 level so you can earn the Hostess Special for the month of April. Okay, y'all, I hope that you have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.